How to get over trading. How to get over trading. You know what I mean, right? We've been trading too much, and we want to make sure that we don't lose the profits that we make. So here's 3 tips to help us make sure we avoid over trading. This is all about psychology, less about technicals. I'm gonna still give you guys some dope technical videos, but I realize you guys got too much. You don't need more technicals at a certain point. You guys need more psychology, how to manage the mind, how to make sure we're not over trading, right? So we want to make sure we get over our over trading, and let's hop straight into it. Tip number 1 is to see success as less trades. Sometimes people think that you have to trade more to get more money, but that's kind of not really true, because the more you trade is sometimes the less quality setups you're taking. So we want to make sure that the setups we do take are at the highest quality, which might mean we gotta slow down and avoid certain setups that look good but they're not the best, right? So that's tip number 1, to just remember that we want to trade everything by our human nature, and it's up to us to realize that and stop ourselves from just hopping into plays, right? It's so easy to hop in, but not as easy to hop out. So just realize over trading comes from us seeing trading more as making more money, but that is not necessarily the case. Tip number 2, realize it's okay to miss trades. You can't be ass catch 'em, right? You can't catch all the Pokemon. You're gonna have to let some of them go, right? There's 10,000 stocks and we got one brain. So while we looking at one stock, another stock might be running. When we go to look at that stock, then the other stock that we was just looking at might be doing what we expected. So we got to realize that we just simply can't catch them all. And once we accept that, it's just going to make us more chill. Also realize another bus is always coming, right? Like I said, 10,000 stocks. We're never in a shortage of momentum. So it's really up to us to just increase our skills to being able to find this momentum, and we could be more at peace just knowing that there's always another bus coming. Tip number 3 is see the vision, right? See the vision of what it looks like if you only took 1 to 2 trades a day, right? 1 to 2 trades. And then do the math, right? If you did good with 1 to 2 trades a day, 5 days a week, not saying you have to trade every single day, but we got to start somewhere with the math, right? Realize where your account would be at the end of the week, where your account will be at the end of the month, where your account will be at the end of the year if you only took 1 to 2 trades a day. So that's going to help you realize you don't need to take a bunch of trades in order to hit your goals. Just see the vision, just realize the path you're on to just taking more and more and more trades is leading to you blowing your account at some point, right? So this game is really about developing that self-control so that we could control the amount of money that we're making, all right? And also control the amount of money that we're losing. So realize this is a mental game, and that is why we're focusing on trading psychology so that we could actually keep the money that we're making and see our account grow and live the lifestyle and do all the things that we want to do. All right, so this is just part 1, and we got more coming, a whole lot more coming actually. And if you haven't, subscribe down below, like the video, follow me on Instagram, and we have a free masterclass coming up on Monday, June 30th. If you guys are interested in reading the charts like a pro, you definitely want to hit the link in the bio and sign up. I'll see you guys there. Hope you guys have a great one. Peace.